Ask Doug. Doug, how do I file a claim with my travel medical insurance company? Ask Doug FAQs and Answers about travel insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your travel medical insurance best for you. Doug, if I pay for medical services at the time of treatment during my travels, how do I file a claim with my travel medical insurance company? Emily, most travel medical insurance plans offer the option to file a claim online through your client portal or via email. A couple added thoughts, Emily. When in doubt of your travel medical insurance coverage, please call the 24-hour phone number on your travel insurance card. Please also call or email us if there are any policy or claims questions. We at Good Neighbor Insurance Brokerage are always happy to answer them. Find out more information on your travel insurance options, gninsurance.com/travel.